All right, it's been about 5 years since I had my right shoulder surgery done. It was a rotary cuff tear, so I got some hardware in my shoulder. And I just, after the surgery, went back to work, and I went ahead and wanted to build a YouTube channel. So I got some old video footage where I'm going to show you now. And this is me trying to get my mobility in my shoulder back. So here's those videos. I will be making more videos to let you know how recovery is going along. I will also let anybody out there know that how worth the surgery is to be, again, I hope soon, pain-free in my right shoulder. And I would advise anybody out there to make sure that you are the customer to a doctor. After everything that's happened, my wife's been very good at taking care of me, and I couldn't say thank you enough to her. Well, it's been 7.5 weeks since I had a surgery on a rotatory cuff tear, and I was going to make a few other videos, but just want to show how far I've come since the surgery. And they have me do this kind of exercise, the pulleys and all these other things, and just make sure that you can, reach your arm up as high as possible. But it's like, so put the cloth down, hold your hand here, and then you try to go up as high as you want. So I was going up about that high about 2 weeks ago. Now it's like, that doesn't hurt, but if I go up a little bit higher, it really starts to hurt. And I was there maybe last week, and now I can get it just about there, and it hurts. So it's like, maybe I'll be able to touch the top of it, but and I'm supposed to do 5 of those, and oh, it hurts still. So, all right. This is Jedis for Jesus, and we are Bible-believing Christians. And if you want to find the truth, that is where you look. There are so many lies in this world, but we will only tell you the truth here. The evil one is after you, and we here at Jedis for Jesus want to make sure you have a one-way ticket to paradise. Alright, it's been over 4 months now, and on the other videos you can see how high I got on the door. So now this is what I can do today. And I normally do 10 of those. So after this many years, stuff is all over the place, and this was one of the things that they would give you, your little ball up here that you would take out and do that with your hand, just to strengthen the muscles in the lower arm, and then you could also feel it in the upper arm too. But that was your little ball there that you would take out, and then this would be just where you would rest your arm on, just there would be a sling over your shoulder and your neck, and then you'd have this little ball to exercise. But so this is something I found in my drawers, and I have other things. So the door was a good place to put up a pulley, so I'd put a chair down right here, and then you would close the door, you'd put the pulley up here, and you just would sit here in the chair and just have one pulley, you pull down on it and your arm goes up, and then you keep on stretching, and that would just increase the muscle, the tendons and all that, start stretching, and it's like, and you would feel a lot of pain. So like I was showing you in the video earlier, you know, just going like this and gradually going up. You could put a towel or something and you gradually go up further and further, and you know, you'd feel the pain in your shoulder. I mean, it would really be painful. So I'll show you then what I did after I got up to the top of the inside of the door frame. So at this point, you know, I was going up like this, and I kept on going and kept on going and really stretching it, and it would really be painful. And I would only do it right before I go to bed because very painful, and it's like, you know, sometimes brings you to tears. So go up like this and keep going, and you just feel it right here in this area and back here. And as you can see, it's like if you're not doing that, stretching that far up, you know, constantly going up like this, further, you know, and that's the arm that I had surgery on. So then the other arm, you know, so if you want your arms to work, you know, after surgery, a year after surgery, well, you got to stretch them and you got to deal with the pain. Nobody likes physical pain. Nobody likes physical therapy. You know, it's not, you know, they don't call it make you feel happy therapy. So, but that's what I did to make sure that my shoulder and I could put my arms up and have no problem. So you do see some people out there that had a shoulder surgery or replacement, and they may be lifting their arm up. That's all they can lift it. After you have the surgery, the pain that you have, I'm going to tell you, going through physical therapy and stretching, there's more pain there. But you know, the moment you put your arm down, it's like you rub it a little bit and it's like, okay, it'll feel better. But yeah, it's not, you try to get off the drugs, and so once the surgery is over, you have the initial pain of the surgery, and then you start healing, you're taking medicine. But then when you're doing the physical therapy, it's like, yeah, what are you going to be taking then? Some ibuprofen, putting heat packs on, or put the cold packs on after you're doing your exercise. You put the heat packs on before your exercise to warm it all up, and then after you're done doing your exercise, you go ahead and put the cold packs on. And I just want to go ahead and put out that it's like, I'm just telling you by my experience and what I've learned with doing these different physical therapies. If you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you. So I'm not a licensed doctor or anything like that. I'm just giving you my opinion, and you know, you definitely should go see a doctor and make sure that these particular exercises are for you. But again, you're wondering, that's why I go to physical therapy, because then you know that it's like, okay, this person says it's okay for me to do this exercise, and I'm a month out from surgery, 2 months out, 3 months out from surgery, and it's okay for me to do these particular things. So you don't want to re-injure yourself and have to have another operation after you just had one a month, 2-3 months ago. So thank you for watching. Again, please leave comments on the bottom. I'd really appreciate it. This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.